Hello everyone and Happy New Year. Or at least this is the first video I'm recording since the new year. I know this isn't Indo-Greeks, I know this isn't a different game than EU4 like I talked about, but I was kind of just bored at night and I thought about this run that I wanted to do. It's just a Manipur run. I have a few funny ideas that I kind of want to do, but honestly, I kind of just want to first play it and see where we get. So let me just go ahead and get through with making all this. How's that look? 24. Sheesh. Why that so low? I think we'll do oversight. I'm sure from developing provinces. I think we'll develop provinces. Okay, nobility. Yeah, that's fine. Right of council, supremacy. Ooh, scary button. Yeah, why not? Nobility officer rights. Leave the last one for whatever it's called. You know. That one thing. Is that a good idea? Probably not. Oof, is that a good idea as well? Also probably not. Trade goods up around here. Yeah, it's a lot of cloth and silk right there. Really shouldn't. I'm gonna do it on jeez, I don't know. We'll do rights. 64, 44. Okay, cool. And that's all of that. Hope for a good general. Pretty solid. Take on land. Ooh, I should have done the other way around. And look them up. Come on back up. And we are good to go. Do that. Okay. So, I don't know. I've played Manipur a few times. Here's my opening move. Okay. This is no longer my opening move. Thank you. Okay, wait. I actually kind of want to do this. Okay. So usually my opening move is show strength on Tripura, hope that Kachar is rivaled, which they are, let them declare a war, take land from Kachar in war after. Show strength lets me fill age objective and then also gives me 300 points. I think I might take Tungu as this vassal. Sounds dumb, but that gives me an easy in into Ava, and I like declaring war on Ava. Yeah, I'm with it. Here, this needs to collect trade here. I usually would trade. Shoot, I need to. If I'm going this route, then I need to actually fabricate on them. Laugh out loud. That's fine. That's not fine, actually. We do need to grab that so we can ally Young easier. Alrighty. So hope I don't regret this. Is he improving relation to the Assam? He is. So if that's the case... so the problem with playing Manipur is you have to be very, and I mean very opportunistic, is whenever you see even a moment, an inkling of weakness in your enemy, you need to take it. And with that, I think we're gonna start the war on Ochar. Okay. One more month pick. Oh my gosh. Seriously. What a joke. Okay, well, we tried. Run over. It's a joke. It's a joke. It's a joke. Okay. I'll just need to keep an eye on whenever Bengal, unfortunately, declares war on Ouch. Sheesh. Set them to threatened so that we can get opinion with Jaunpur. Jaunpur is an essential early game ally. Can I still show strength in this war? I cannot. Neither can I. Ugh, what a joke. What a waste of a war. Okay, well, that works out. I think what I'll do. Can we siege this place? Holy Toledo, man. What is that about? Oh, man. Can't write this stuff. Yeah, sure. Come on now. Come on now. Let's not do that again. Okay. Okay. So let's make you vassal. And no, I think I'd rather the money over that prestige. Okay, and then I think we'll do something a little silly here, but we're actually gonna go through with that, and we will just force him to. There we go. Yeah. I think that much more money is really going to make a difference. Okay. This is opportunism. Maybe I should have taken the land. Oops. That's okay. Diplo rep? Of course not. You have a rival I can insult? No. Because I don't have prestige. Well, guess we'll just sit around waiting for paint to dry. At least we have an age objective, excuse me. Okay, Twangu. Get you to fabricate claims on this guy. Also get you to like me. There we go. Rival Ava. do not have any enemies. Ava, that is very interesting. If I'm able to get most, if not all, of his tributaries, that would be very nice, to say the least. Sheesh, man. Huh. Oh, lovely. Well, we're gonna drop this, and we are just going... Ugh. Excuse me? Can I... There we go. Okay. Manus just allied them. Nope, that was almost really bad. Okay, cool. Man. Okay. Truthfully, I'm not really sure what more to do here. Sound. You don't like me quite much. We could probably ally you. We can definitely ally you. An alliance going with him. Okay. Alright, we'll take it just because we can't really afford losing much more. Whatchamacallit, prestige. There we go. Okay, contract this off. Let's turn that on. We'll take that just because I don't really have a choice. Man, maybe we could take over like just one more. Okay, let's just do neighboring countries. Okay. Loyal? Getting there. Okay, you just got freaking massive. Sirhan just took on Delhi. Very nice. Cool. Charge took feudalism. Very nice. Very nice. What is that? 16? I'm not really optimistic about that. How much more money would I get from this? 42? How much? And Tonga's got, what, 3? I could maybe bring in Mangyang. Yeah, he would, once we're good. Yeah. I'm down. Oof. It's fine. What are you? Let's bring you back over to Curry Favors. Okay, that's pretty good. Too shabby. I think it'll be fine. It's just, again, we gotta keep an eye on this war. Because if they spring on either Qatar Kosh, we need to be able to have an access up here. Because if we can't expand west, at least through all these miners up here, game kind of sucks, won't lie. Not gonna lie. Oof. Hopefully I can take Ava before 1470. That's usually my goal in Manipur games. Okay, so 6 from me, 5 from them, 8. Wait, no, 9 from me and my vassal. Oof, jeez, I can't think. Perfect. Ayutthaya does want to marry. They do not want to ally, though. Who's your... Come on. I can't rival any of those guys. I really wanted and needed him to be a Ava rival. Okay. Cool. Okay. Very nice. Let me start beefing up the army. Okay. And then... check this out. Or 2-month ticks. Okay, so if I have 10 troops, 13... and they add 5 is 18. Shouldn't get the crappy free company, but honestly, I don't want to bother with 19. There we go. Okay. I don't want to run the risk of whiffing on here, so let's do that right there. Make sure Twambu's, yep, loyal. We are going to make you supportive. Allow a touch on that army. Yep, you caught on. Pull him back and... it's fine. Unfortunate. Lost money, but it's fine. And we'll do this, and we'll declare the war. How expensive is this song? 37? It can be a lot of AE here, but I think it'll be worth it. Ooh, I think it'll be worth it. Extra 4 troops. Just those 4 troops is enough to make this. Yeah, no, we're not gonna do it. Just coach. We are bringing you in, and then we're gonna be making Tripura the war. Okay, very nice. Ooh, it's not cool. We're good with this first battle here. Okay. Very nice. Get there, come on, get there. What was that? It's so unfortunate. It's fine. Ooh, and this is where we have problems. Make it. Oh, very nice. Okay, unfortunate again, but hey, as long as we get something out of it, we are fine. And disallow that. Ugh. Sure. Well, not a perfect war, but again, it's what we needed. That's all that matters. Rome. Char siege down their capital. Interesting developments, to say the least. Let's just stick nearby, why don't we? I need to get fancy with it. Who's he at war with? Ocean Kachar. Does not want military access, interestingly. But I guess he is able to get where he needs to. Okay, very nice. And once he's done with that, then we go clean up on the Asami. Assamese? I don't know how to say that name, honestly. Yeah. Ugh. Very nice. Alright, and that's the war over, I think. I think we'll go with a prairie vassal here. Just gonna make him hate me, but oh well. Oh. Oh. Well. Again. Oh, we gotta take opportunities where we see them. Okay, how much? That's a lot of inflation. Elitism has spread, so let's go ahead and grab that. And we will also grab that. And temples, we gotta get ahead. If anything. And I kind of want to pick up an advisor. I don't know. Does not want to. Okay, well, that's a choice. Okay, so it's not that, it's just the siege of the province. That's fine. Well. It'll take a while. Let's let's drop you. Begin with you there, and then go back to. Oh, can we assign stuff? Let's grab strong duchies, and can we ally now? We can improve relations. Okay, let's improve relations. Drop him. What did I need to do? I should start doing neighboring countries is what I needed. Okay. Tick should be good here. Should win this war. Or battle, excuse me. Should win the war too. Hope to God. Hate fighting mountains. Come on, lock in. Very nice, and I think that secures, yep, the alliance once this war is over. Alrighty. Very cool. That's a spare war done. Let's look at... We want it all. How much do they? They don't quite like me. There you go. You ready to give up? Very much like you to. You are. Can we grab anything else? No, we cannot. Get out. Get out of my face. Oh, I'm so silly. I should have kept onto my points for Renaissance. Oh well. Okay, well. Okay, I think this is a risky move, but I think I'm gonna make... It's just a waste that I couldn't grab another rival if I could put you as a rival. Do I grab that? I do. Silk is pretty good. That's even better. Or cloth, excuse me. Where's this? Do nobles like us? Yes, they do. They love us. Good. You can get a siege pip in there. Okay. Come on back down here. Excuse me for those noises. Chair's pretty loud for some reason. We should end this more quickly. That way we can grab estates land. Crown land. Okay. Oh, come on. Impatient. I am impatient. Oh, that was an unfortunate loss on Sadia. But no matter. Come on now. Really, man? We are just unlucky with rolls this game. 415 for a level 1 fort. That is insane. Oh, I'm so stupid. I merged the armies. I'm not just gonna finish before he even gets back now. No. Cool. Please, this has to be the one. Not this one for sure. Golly, man. Okay. I'm gonna grab all this. That's not terrible. We should grab this land. Help us back up. And then I think what we'll do... Relations there. Oh, the first thing we need to do is grab this alliance. Oh, thank God. Okay. How close do you want to ally? Not very. Wasn't there someone else here? Yeah. I thought so. How are my little stateless societies doing? Looking good, friends. Looking good. Excuse me. Not bad. Oh, jeez, excuse me. I'm so sorry. I think we do grab that guy. I think we want to grab... How close was he? Not very. This is half off. Okay, bring the armies down and then grab that half off guy. Okay. And then what we're actually gonna do here is we... Oh, before we release an extra guy. We want to rival Sang. We want to rival Ava again. Oh, we should rival Bengal. VJ's hating on him. Our Khan is allied to Orisa. That's not good. Orisa is actually strong. Once. Haven't usually seen that. VJ broke his alliance with Andra? Delhi pushing into Kashmir. Alright, let's do some last cleanup things. So I want to send this. I sent this alliance, yep. I'll want to give out these provinces. Yep, just like that. Bring these guys back, and then we'll want to Tripura, Kachur, and Naga. A lot of money. Not money, but you know what I mean. Admin points. Is he loyal then? No. He's very close though. It's so unfortunate. Don't care about that. We have that. So we'll just start building that up with you. And then we're gonna wrap this episode up shortly. The plan here, get them loyal, marry them. For extra Liberty Desire. I think we'll also build up a little bit here. Should be good. There it is. Really behind on tech. How low can we get it? We need them to like us. When can I sell land? 57. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. We need that to core. Do you like us yet? You do. So let's go ahead and grab this with you. And put you back on here. Go on nah. No, Pegu. No, I don't really want to be fighting him either. Can't be fighting Ayutthaya. If I get lucky, Pegu declares war on Tungu for me, or against me like that, but I just don't see it happening. Oh, religious unity, I totally forgot about that. Do I go humanist? Oof. Well, I'll have to look in how to best work around. Oof. Yeah. Because I've never really done a humanist, like, expansion, you know, type of run. How long does that last? 1970. Not bad. Yeah. Okay. And how is... Okay. Ottoman's getting mighty aggressive. Not looking good. Is that Ottomans? That is. Oh, golly, man. Brutal out here. What we got? Did we send him the marriage? We did. Okay, I think I can risk another vassal here. Look at it. No, I could not have. Laughed out loud. Okay, well, let's pull him back, put you on you. Literally. And we grab 25 years. One tick over. That's not terrible. Get the marriages back out. Oh, they kept it. Coach. Good, but worst one is coach. Did they just break it? They did. Okay, well. Here's what I say to that. Oh, here's what I don't say to that. Oh, come on, man. Yeah, sorry, man. I need all the money I can get. Okay. There we go. Yep, self-titles. Ooh, whoa, 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 whoa. Why are they beefing up? Dogging on me. Okay. Should get that going. And hopefully... Sorry, I know I said I'd end this, but now I'm in a group. Here's the plan. Once we get that finished up, we can start doing a ton of deving. Yep, come here, give you statehood, and ruin your autonomy. And almost there. There you go. That's the first one we can grab. Manpower modifier, corruption. Well, I think that's kind of a no-brainer. Sheesh. Okay, general clerk class. Can we give... Oh. Is it only the merchants? It's only the merchants. Well, that's kind of silly. I was kind of banking on that extra 10 dev cost reduction. Oh, that's unfortunate. That's too darn bad. Might as well. $57? Not good, not bad. Better than one of the later. No, I don't want to do that. That was almost bad. How's it looking? Not great. Oh, hey. Well, there you go. Or... Why not, you know? There we go, and that brings the loyalties down. Alrighty, lovely. So, I think that's a pretty good spot to close up. See if we can get... Oh, we can't, but let's grab him anyways. So we need about 4 more dev clicks. Is a great city one of these ones? Yes, large city. Sure. You got it, big dog. I don't really want to do that. We'll make the 15th one here first, so let's wait on that. Which likes us. No, he does not. Chungu's maxed out. No, they were not. I think I just accidentally pulled them back. Okay. Let's do this one. This one. This one. And last one will be Mill. Perfect. Renaissance acquired. But I will actually wait on it because no need on spreading it too quickly. That was not too shabby. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with how that ended up. I think we'll end it right on the year change. And yeah, that's a pretty solid first episode. Here's a look at our situation. I think start of next episode, we're probably gonna look into this Ava war. That's not good. I get any outside help. Probably want to look to them. No. Well. Who are they aligned with? Shang? Oof. This is not good. Let me try to understand this. I have 10 troops, 12. They have 0. 15 total. They have 21 total. We can... Oh yeah, we can do it. I just want to increase my stab just once. After that, honestly, like, I don't see why we couldn't be able to do this. Yeah, pretty solid spot to finish up there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.